Hey everybody, Dave here, and want to talk to you about distinct function, or the distinct function. So here we have a collection that we're building here under this button. We're calling it city populations, and we're providing this detail on a record by record basis to build out these collection that you're seeing here in the table. Now, one of the more popular use case, at least the way that I use it, in making or using the distinct is getting a drop-down list. So imagine this is the data that's being presented, whether it's in a gallery or a table is kind of irrelevant right now, but I provided this here for a visual aid. Imagine that you're creating a form and you're gonna, somebody's going to enter in the city, the country, and the population, rather than provide them with a free-form text box for data inconsistency, and assuming that you only have these three options that are ever going to be available to you, you can use the distinct function. So I have this drop down here. The items that drive the drop down is using this drop down sample, but I can go ahead and use this distinct function here, and I can do it on my city populations collection that I provided, and then I want to specify the country. This is or the column in the data source that I want as distinct. You could also write it as an expression and use a filter in it or whatever. I'm using a very simplified use case of this, but nonetheless, the result is going to be a distinct list of whatever the countries are, and there's only these three: United Kingdom, Germany, and Spain. So if you needed additional options, you would have to have additional data to support that, but its purpose is to just provide a distinct list of what is already there. So if you need to have more, you'll have to take maybe a different approach, potentially use a choice, maybe make an array, make an in-memory collection. There's lots of ways of doing this, but just wanted to highlight the distinct and what it is and how you might want to consider using it. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.